Nathan reporting live from St. Joseph, Missouri. Right now, we are in Blizzard 2018. What you have right now is blowing snow. As you can see, the winds, they're just a little fierce. They're a lot of fierce, to be honest with you. What? Just in. Blizzard's been canceled? The blizzard's been canceled. It's been upgraded to a snow-nado. A snow-nado. So what you want to do right now is save your family. Go to Walmart. That's the safest place in St. Joe. Justin, scratch that. Don't go to Walmart. It's not the safest place in St. Joe. There's shots fired there probably. Not sure though. So what you want to do, probably go down the basement. Don't do that because it's probably cold down there. Go to your attic because hot air rises. That's science, people. That's science. So, if you look at the trees down here. Covered in snow. So what happens is these branches are going to get heavy. They're going to break off. They're going to hit the power lights. And you're going to lose power. So what you want to do is make sure your phones are charged. Make sure your iPads are charged. Because if they're not, what are you going to do? Read a book? No, dummy. So what you want to do, guys, like I said, get everything charged up. Just stay safe out there, okay? For instance, you're from your friend, okay? Nathan Beligolo, reporting live, St. Joe, Missouri.